Hello. Hi. Where are you from? I am from Cambodia. How old are you? I am 15 years old. Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. What grade are you in? I am in grade 9. A. Do you like English? Yes, I like English. 9. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. 10. Who is your English teacher? My English teacher is Mr. John. Do you have a brother? Yes, I have one brother. Do you have a sister? No, I do not have a sister. 13. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. 14. What food do you like? I like rice and chicken. Do you like fruit? Yes, I like fruit. What fruit do you like? I like mangoes. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. What time do you go to school? I go to school at 7 a.m. Where do you live? I live in Phnom Penh. Is your house big? No, it is small. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog. What is your dog's name? Its name is Lucky. What do you do after school? I do my homework. Do you play sports? Yes, I play football. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can ride a bike. What is your favorite drink? My favorite drink is milk. Do you like coffee? No, I do not like coffee. What day is today? Today is Monday. What month is it? It is February. 31. What is the weather like today? It is sunny. Do you like rainy days? No, I do not like rainy days. What are you doing now? I am studying English. Are you busy? No, I am not busy. Do you like music? Yes, I like music. What kind of music do you like? I like pop music. Do you watch TV? Yes, I watch TV. What is your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is a cartoon. Do you read books? Yes, I read books. What book do you like? I like storybooks. What is your best friend's name? My best friend's name is Dara. 40. Do you help your parents? Yes, I help my parents. What do you do at home? I clean my room. Do you like shopping? Yes, I like shopping. Where do you buy clothes? I buy clothes at the market. Are you happy today? Yes, I am happy. Why are you happy? Because today is my birthday. What do you want to be in the future? I want to be a teacher. Do you like learning new words? Yes, I like learning new words. 50. Can we practice English together? Yes, we can practice together.